Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most important technologies in modern manufacturing, the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It is a machine that uses computer programming to control cutting, carving, drilling, and shaping operations with incredible precision. CNC technology has transformed industries by making production faster, more accurate, and more efficient than ever before. The process begins with a digital design. Engineers and designers create a model using CAD, or computer-aided design software. Once the design is complete, it is converted into G-code, a language that the CNC machine can understand. This code contains all the instructions needed to create the final product. After the program is loaded into the machine, the CNC system takes control. The machine moves along multiple axes, usually X, Y, and Z, following the exact path defined by the design. The cutting tool performs precise operations on the material, whether it is wood, plastic, aluminum, or other materials. In woodworking factories, CNC routers are widely used to produce cabinets, furniture parts, doors, decorative panels, and custom designs. These machines can create complex patterns and detailed carvings that would be difficult and time-consuming to make by hand. One of the greatest advantages of CNC machines is accuracy. Every cut is made according to exact measurements, ensuring consistent quality. Even when producing hundreds of identical parts, the machine maintains the same level of precision. Speed is another major advantage. CNC machines can work continuously and complete projects much faster than traditional manual methods. This helps manufacturers increase productivity while reducing labor costs. Safety is also improved. Since most of the cutting and shaping operations are automated, workers have less direct contact with sharp tools and moving parts. This creates a safer working environment. Modern CNC machines often include advanced features, such as automatic tool changers, vacuum tables, touchscreen controls, and dust collection systems.